Elementor and Divi are two of the most popular WordPress builders, and while both are great, they work in very different ways. With Elementor, you're mostly working inside a sidebar editor. You drag and drop widgets onto the page, but the actual customization often happens off to the side. It's powerful, but sometimes it feels like you're making changes in one place and hoping they look right on the page. Divi, on the other hand, is built around a true visual builder. You edit directly on the page, whether it's text, images, or layouts, exactly where they appear. What you see is exactly what your visitors will see, which makes it really beginner-friendly. At the same time, Divi still gives you advanced design controls, animations, and layout options if you want to go further. Elementor can feel a bit separated from the design, but Divi makes building more natural and intuitive. For a faster, smoother way to create WordPress sites, click the link in the description to try Divi from Elegant Themes at a great price.